Hello everybody, once again, I am Robert and this is Corvette World Dallas, and I've got a pretty Rapid Blue C8 Z06 to show you today. So this is a 2024 2LZ. It's the Rapid Blue with the natural interior, as you can see here. And let's go through it. So let's start off in the front. I must note, the entire front bumper and the mirrors have PPF clear bra protectant installed. So they got that protecting all from rock chips and whatnot. I know it's been debadged, but again, you can always rebadge it. It's not a big deal, but I'm assuming it was taken off. Some people like that clean look. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? Do you like the clean look or do you prefer to have the badge? I've heard mixed opinions both ways. It has the normal body color 3-piece spoilers you can see here with the carbon flash grille accenting, and we have our high definition front curve view cameras located there. We have the gloss black Z06 spider wheels here with the black calipers with the standard chrome lugs and carbon flash center caps. We do have the carbon fiber painted carbon flash side skirts, and I must note, yes, there is PPF on them too as well. So he does have some PPF. When I say he, the previous owner did put some PPF on them, which is nice. We have our normal carbon flash wishbone inlet accenting, carbon flash badge package. Once again, more black wheels. And then we come to the rear, and finally I got one with the 3-piece spoiler setup. So, as you know, like the previous generation, they have the wicker bill spoiler. It is a 3-piece capability. You have the 2 side ones here. They can either be flush or like this raised. And then we have the, like the C7 Z06 or in Grand Sport, you have the clear center middle piece here. Check that out. So that's what it looks like. So that's your full, if you will, stage 3 spoiler setup. You finally say that after all this time. We have the beautiful black tipped NPP exhaust, which go really well with this color. We have the carbon flash badge package, and pardon me while I move out some fuzz. And of course, you got a high definition rear parking camera back here with backup sensors and rear cross traffic alert. Deck lid here is tinted, and it's also mildly tinted here. So this person tinted both ends here. And again, if that's a problem for you, the tint can be removed. We have our beautiful hand-built LT6 here with 670 horsepower. It is a 5.5 liter flat-plane crank motor. And shout out to Chase Duvall there for hand assembling the motor there in Bowling Green. And we have our FE6 magnetic select ride suspension. And of course you see our cargo space here, and you got the notches if you want to take the Targa top off and load it in the trunk. All right, coming to the interior, so this 2LZ. So we have our Mulan leather here with our natural stitching and our natural leather accenting throughout. You can see here we have our leather wrap steering wheel with the Z06 logoing. We have our front lift with memory capability there right in front of the mode selector. We got a 10-speaker Bose premium sound system, and we have the optional GT2 bucket seats, all leather right there. Heated and ventilated with lumbar side bolster control as well. We have our frunk, and we see we got pouches in here. I got some of the under Aero pieces, and you see these. These are the flat wickers. So if you want to go flat on the spoiler with your rear wickers, you can do so if desired. And of course, this is a 24 slow close. You see a copy of my original window sticker here, so if you want to freeze it and see your option breakdown and the original MSRP. This 24 has 10,615 miles, and we got it priced at $109,995. So just to rehash, Rapid Blue at natural, 2LZ with the front lift and the black spider wheels. It also has PPF over the whole front and on the side skirts and mirrors. If you are interested in this beautiful Z06 or any other Corvettes in my inventory, please see our info up in the corner and down in the description below. Tell me what you think. Rapid Blue on natural. Black wheels. I think they go well with this color setup. I kind of like the bright color with a little black accenting. So let me know down in the comments. Please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.